A year ago, I was out skydiving on a very windy day, and my canopy collapsed and I fell 12 feet. I was rushed to the emergency room with an extremely bad fracture, compound fracture of my leg and my ankle. The first thing that came to my mind was, I'm getting married in 3 months. What am I going to do? Will I ever be able to walk down the aisle with my husband? Will I ever be able to run again, which was my second passion? And of course, will I ever be able to skydive? When I got to the hospital, they took one look at my leg. They brought me in for x-rays, and the doctor on call had said, it's very bad. They were bringing in their orthopedic specialist to have a look at my leg, and when he arrived, he took one look at the x-ray, he smiled, and he said, you did a pretty good job.
She had numerous fractures of her ankle and foot. The fractures went inside the ankle joint, and she had to undergo surgery immediately to get the bones fixed.
I was very confident with Dr. Karkare. I knew from the way he explained the surgery that everything would be okay and I would be able to run and live my life again.
We used 2 screws on the inside of the ankle joint, a plate on the outside of her ankle, and she had actually split the 2 bones in her ankle, so we used an additional screw to hold the 2 bones together. She also had fractures in her foot, which did not need surgical fixation.
So we went in for surgery, and about 3 hours later, we came out. The assistant in the surgery came over to me after the doctor left and said, he did an amazing job on your leg. He put you back together exactly as you came in.
This is an example of a plate that we used in Kani. So this is a plate, this is the bone, and we place the plate on the bone using screws.
The one thing that sets Dr. Karkare apart from all the other doctors that I've met is his knowledge, his calmness, and the ability to listen to what my needs are and to work with me as a patient, not so much as a doctor, but as a coach, which I'm used to as a runner. And as a team, my healing, my process, everything has been fantastic.
That doesn't hurt at all, right?
No.
There's no clicking, no locking,
No.
no pain at all when I do that?
No.
Excellent.
Dr. Karkare is a great listener. He was very proactive in helping me with my rehab, and he understood that as an active person, I wanted to be able to be active during my rehab, and he was very supportive during the whole process.
So you're back to skydiving?
Yes,
Excellent.
I'm running, I'm skydiving, and doing everything that I was doing before. As an athlete, I'm big into nutrition, so we had developed a program together that would help my healing, and with better nutrition and some rehabilitation, he had been instrumental in helping me speed up my recovery. I'm extremely happy with the surgery. I'm amazed by the surgery. My leg feels perfect, and I had no pain through the whole process. I would recommend Dr. Karkare to my friends, my family, and especially my skydiving friends. And from listening to other people's experiences with a similar injury, I think I was extremely lucky to find Dr. Karkare. Now I'm skydiving again, I'm running, I'm back to doing everything that I love. I was able to walk down the aisle with my husband, and I can't thank Dr. Karkare enough for giving me back my life. I feel great.